Hello, this is David, and welcome to Equity Story. Just obviously like to have a quick look at the ASX 200, and just finished slightly up. Again, it's sort of looking pretty bullish and holding. Holding these holding this sort of trend lines, and again holding quite nicely above that 5,400. So as long as we see that sort of price action on the ASX, that gives us lots of confidence to go in and put trending stocks on. And it's good to see all the trending stocks we've gone on at the moment. They're all doing very nicely. As you can see, AIA, just sort of turn this over so you can see a little bit more. AI looking absolutely fantastic. GXL looking very, very strong. I'd really like GXL to have a nice sort of little bit further. If we could just get around sort of around 770, 775 by the end of the week, I think the GXL story could be really strongly back on. MYX doing really well for us again, looking very, very bullish. And MTR just now trading around that sort of 50-day moving average. Hopefully it can bounce up from here. And obviously Hansen Group having a really good day, and we've already got this $4 as a target price in the short term with Hansen. Again, Hansen Group is it's one of our favorite companies. We absolutely love it. Just obviously having a look, we put the weekly buy and sell signals out on the weekend, and obviously those weekly buy signals have all done well today. I think PRY the standout, and again it's looking pretty good. I think obviously that sort of 397 level is got to be a target for this week. And again, looking at UGL, bit of a recovery story this one. So just squash the chart up so you can have a look. It's sort of come up down from $14 in the last few years. It looks like it's starting to recover, so it'd be really interesting. Again, a little bit of resistance here. If it can break that resistance, I think she could have a really strong march up, UGL. So I think it looks exciting. And again, we put some I put some stocks on that had buy signals on more of a shorter term chart, just to make life a little bit more interesting this week. And I think the standout from there is that definitely TME looks very, very bullish. Again, I really like RAC and TUE and CBA, PGH, AST and SYD. For me, they all look very, very, very bullish. So I think if our market can stay strong this week, I would expect 90% of these stocks to do very, very, very well. I think interestingly, we had some great news obviously in the 3-year growth sections, and again the standout, great to see ITQ for us up 12% today. That looks absolutely stunning. I've got Wangle looking really good. It was up sort of much higher at one stage. I think it's up about 20%. Again, looks very, very bullish price action. Again, hitting what did it do? Hit a 0.045, which is excellent. Again, AKP for us at the moment is a runaway train. Again, we're starting to make good money now in that stock. So Audio Pixels is starting to gain a lot of attention. XREF, really, what a great looking chart. Now the XREF on a charting point of view reminds me, it's very, very similar to LP. You can see suddenly just the way it's moving here. Now if it can hold these sort of levels by the end of the week, I would expect XREF to carry on and have that move up, like we're saying, to attack that sort of possibly that 80 cents level. And if you look at LP and you go a little bit back in time with LP, very similar movement. Again, just put his head above the water there, and then bang, had that nice move up. And I really think XREF can do something very, very similar. So it'd be interesting see if it can sort of hold these levels. Because I think if it can, XREF over the next week or so could do very well for us. So maybe if it's one that you're not in, it's well worth taking a look at. Again, that's basically all I've got to talk about tonight on Equity Story. Obviously, we're very pleased that all our stocks, or when I say all of them, 99% of them are obviously doing very, very well and making really good money for all our members. And tomorrow we've actually I'm going to be introducing a new 10 bagger, and a brand new 3-year growth story, which I think potentially could be big winners for us. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for listening to Equity Story, and have a good night.